Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Saif and this is a continuation of video lecture series on Rasa Chatbot development using Google Colab. In this video, we will talk about the problem statement as well as the file content of Rasa Chatbot and also discuss how you would customize the chatbot by 5 simple steps. Before that, I strongly recommend to watch my previous video for better understanding and subscribe my channel. Let's get started. Now our initial chatbot is created and it's worked properly. Let's define our problem statement. Suppose we have to develop the chatbot for hotel and to handle query like book a room, clean my room, cancel the reservation, etc. For that, we have to develop the intent and response flow and feed it into the chatbot, and then our chatbot responded in that flow. So, as you see, we create a flow for hotel booking. When users come and say, I want to book a room, then bot responded back, how many room would you like to book? User responded like, I need two room or two room. Then bot responded back, what type of room would you want to book? Like a simple room or deluxe room? Then user responded, say, simple room. Then bot responded, so you have chosen to book simple room. And that's it. In this way, we have to define the whole intent and response flow for each and every query so that we can feed it into the chatbot. Here we already create some of the conversation flow like book room, schedule cleaning room, or frequently asked question like what is the check-in timing, what is the checkout timing, or what should I do if I have to cancel the reservation, what is the cancellation policy, does the breakfast is provided by a hotel, or what is the breakfast timing, etc. Now we have to put these things into the chatbot. Before moving to modify the bot, let's understand the file content of Rasabot, which help in modification. The first one is domain.yml. Double tap it and it will open on the right side. So let's extend this. Actually, in this it contains the name of intent as well as their responses is written, which help to respond back to the user when user input is matched with the particular intent. Second file is credential.yml. Open it. Credential.yml is used to store the secret key and access token to access the chatbot from Messenger, Slack, etc. Now another file is endpoint.yml. Endpoint.yml contain initial model path as well as it also contain different endpoint that our bot used. There is also a Python file action.py. Actually, action.py file is used to perform custom action when any particular condition encounter, or simply say it is used to put business logic in the bot to perform a particular task. Now move to the data folder. Data folder contain two files. First one is nlu.md and stories.md. Let's open the nlu.md. As you see, NLU file contain intent. Actually, intent is like a sample query which user may ask, or Rasa NLU help to understand what user is trying to saying and then responded back. Other important file in data folder is stories.md. As the name suggested, it is like defining the whole stories, like what is user say, then what bot respond, and then what user responded, and then so on until the conversation ended or it go to the fallback intent. Well, to customize the initial Rasa chatbot, you have to follow the 5 simple steps. We have to start editing with the nlu.md file, in which we have to add the intent and describe the sample way of saying that intent, or say add all the possible ways of saying any particular sentences. After adding the intent in the nlu.md file, we have to describe the intent name in the intent name section in the domain.yml file. We also have to define the entities, action name, slots, as well as responses in their corresponding section. Now, to add the custom action or putting the business logic, we can put that in action.py file. Like for example, user only get loan if the CIBIL score is greater than 750. This is business logic and we can put it in the code. So when a user provide their CIBIL score, then on account of that, our bot be able to say that whether you get a loan or not. Another important thing is we use tracker to track the conversation state. That is further used in action.py file to take the particular action like CIBIL score that user provide to a bot is an entity that tracker track it and bot used to give response according to that. Now the step 4 is we define the intent and response flow of a particular conversation in a stories.md file. In step 5, we edit credential.yml file where we add the credential like access key, access token to access the chatbot from Messenger, Slack, etc. Before moving to the code, let's understand two important terms you might hear while using Rasa, that is Rasa NLU and Rasa Core. Rasa NLU infer the intent and extract entities from user input and help bot to understand what the user is trying to say. While Rasa Core is a machine learning based dialogue management tool which is used to handle the conversation flow. Let's understand with the simple example. Suppose a user come and say get me the latest IPL updates. Now Rasa NLU infer user query and find the most probable matched intent. Let's say it match with current match intent and pass that intent to the Rasa core. Rasa core call the cricket API to assess the current match result. Like it say Delhi Capital won the last match against the Rajasthan Royal. Now this response is passed to the user. After getting the response, user responded with some other query in which again Rasa NLU infer the user query and find the most probable match intent and pass the intent to the Rasa core in which Rasa core takes some action and pass the response to the user and the cycle continue till the conversation ended. Well, this video is a little bit theoretical and little boring too, and I hope everything is clear to you. In the next video, we start customizing our initial chatbot according to our problem statement as we discussed earlier. But if in case you face any kind of difficulties in understanding any part of this topic, please leave a comment below and I try to help you on that. That's all from my side for this video. I hope you like the video. So don't forget to like the video and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update from our video. Till then, happy learning.